Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the PivotBoss pre-market video for Friday, June 5th, 2020. I am Frank Ochoa, aka PivotBoss. Happy Friday, everyone. Here's a look at the daily time frame of the ES, and this is post NFP number here. We had a surprise beat of 2.5 million jobs added instead of a forecast of a decline of 8 million. So that was a pretty significant number here, where price in the ES has rallied, the YM has rallied. We're even seeing crude oil rallying. The NQ not seeing as much just yet, but continues to hold above the previous week's high price. So right now you can see how elongated this profile is getting. Big continuation to the upside, significant move so far. Again, this is after we've seen compression here lead to expansion. And again, we have not even seen a PIMA pullback here, so any pullback could still be a buying opportunity for a continuation, as this thing remains quite bullish overall. Again, after this early strength here, can the market remain strong throughout the day, or perhaps even continue higher? If not, if a failure to hold, say, above 2-day highs, that would likely throw off kind of a rejection tail up here that could signal a bit of a pullback in a near-term basis. But again, any pullback remains a buying opportunity until proven otherwise. So this remains quite strong heading into today's trading. If we take a look here at the NQ now, you'll notice with the NQ, not as much strength as the ES right now. This one is more holding within a very narrow 3 to 4 day range here. This 3 to 4 day range has developed in a super narrow fashion here, so we could be looking at a breakout to come out of this range. Any pullback again down below into the PIMA trigger zone here could be a great buying opportunity for a continuation higher down the road. So this could be a very good move here. If we were to flush 2 or 3 day lows, that could lead to quite a bounce. Again, an upside break is the most likely approach here. All right, let's take a look now at crude oil. This is up for nearly 5% here, 4.75%. Again, very bullish move. When we had this narrow 7-day range, I mentioned that it suggests a breakout and a move to 40 to 42. Today's high right now comes in at 39.57, so nearly into the 40 target here, but a very good continuation move so far. Overall, this one remains bullish after crossing back above the slow moving average here. This 8 period continues to hold, so any pullback even as deep as 35 could still be a buying opportunity for a continuation higher down the road. All right, lastly, taking a look at gold futures. You'll notice with gold futures here that this one has been testing the 1704 zone quite some time here, 1700 in general. This one has developed a box up here that we continue to watch, and again, any failure to hold, this box could open up a pullback that could easily lead to a 1575 pullback there, and even perhaps lower if that ends up being the case. So continue to watch here how price responds to the 1704.30, 1700, and the 1680 support at the moment. So again, still range bound. We may see a fade where this thing bounces back up, but again, if there's a failure to hold the bottom of this box, it could open up at least another 100 handles down. All right, that is it for now. We'll see how this develops heading into the rest of the session and into the weekend. Have a fantastic Friday and a weekend. I will see you in the trading room. Take care.